would happen if we put the triangle thing inside the movie case?
Should we do it?
Let's do it.
After he's done.
After he's done with his...
Spaz attack.
Yeah.
It's adorable. Oh, he's bowling on the carpet.
He's doing what on the carpet?
He was bowling on it.
Did someone accidentally give him a bowling license?
Well, he can do those flips the ice skaters do.
Hey, Whoopi, you should give me a...
The next... Wooford Woodwoof, the next gold medal for figure skating. I want to see what he'd do in skates. He'd get hurt, so we shouldn't do it, but it would be funny.
Come on, Woofy. See? Go get it.
Oh, he did that so easily. He did that way too easily. Just like, I don't have to dig into it and pull it out. I just have to use gravity. Nah, I'll keep doing what I'm doing.
He's insane.
I don't care about the duck, I want the triangle.